I'm not sure that any city in America has a grander entrance than San Francisco. We're so lucky to be working with not only two of the best chefs in San Francisco,
hello, darling,
but two of the best chefs in the world. Are you getting any of that, Traci, that smell of the smoke?
Magnifique.
Oui.
Traci des Jardins.
I'm a master of this. I can race anyone and beat them.
Well, I'm not even going to try. And Dominique Crenn.
I like to hear anything, you know, when I cook things. That noise is music to me. The ingredients are singing to me.
This is where the magic happens?
Absolutely.
We're sourcing seafood,
Be careful,
including delicious sea urchin, from the Monterey Fish Market. This was just alive a few minutes ago.
A few seconds ago, yeah.
It's nearly like a custard. And creating a meal with French and Spanish overtones, but all decidedly San Franciscan. Eggs on eggs on eggs on eggs.
Me, it's butter on butter on butter.
That's it.
Fat on fat.
Sounds
Oui,
delicious.
Delicious.
Cheers, everybody. Cheers. Next on a Moveable Feast with Fine Cooking Magazine.